Good morning, everybody. It's around 11 o'clock on July 7th, and I am fixing some rice cauliflower with cheese and some peppers to put in it, and it is gonna be good. I go into work today around 2, so I'm trying to eat a little something before I go in. Hey, Sydney. Hey, Sydney. And she's being picky again today about her food. You want your food? Remember, like yesterday? Ready? Get it! JJ, you're so funny. Hi, guys. It's gonna be a good day. Excuse me. And the finished project. And I got my chopsticks. Slippery. Delicious. I can use this okay. Got cheese on it. I'm pretty good at using the chopsticks. I could be better. There we go. That's a good one. So, I was looking up some vlog ideas, and a lot of them are like, you know, talk about what we do, who we are, talk about, or gosh, I had a whole list, and now I forgot them. It's like each day you kind of do something different. So I'm like, I could try that. That'd be fun. Oh, and I gotta open my mango. I haven't opened it yet. Oh, I could do that on one. I don't know. I'll make a list and I'll try to fulfill that list, and that'll be like a good vlog thing. Maybe. Look what we're doing. Crocheting and sitting in the swing before I go into work. I think we're gonna start doing specific things each day to help our vlog out and to get a little bit more organized, sort of.
Who wants to be organized?
Not us, apparently. But we're just gonna try to make our vlogs a little more interesting. So Mondays I'll be posting a vlog along with my daily vlog about one of our pets, and we're gonna do a highlight on them all week, taking videos of one of the pets all week, and then we'll post a vlog just about them on Mondays. So that's going to be our Monday thing, along with the daily vlog and whatever else we want to do. And we're still going to do learn to tap sometime, because we do teach dance. We've taught dance for a long time. So we figured, hey, why not teach people on YouTube how to dance? Well, I guess we'll start with beginners or whatever.
I just did routine. I don't want to do warm-ups.
We'll do a routine.
I guess I could do warm-ups, but
we'll see. We'll just stay tuned, because that's going to be on another separate vlog. We're just gonna have lots of stuff going on, and maybe even a princess vlog. Maybe.
Yeah. Sarah can be the princess.
I am a princess. Now we're back to crocheting. I'm trying to finish my Mickey Mouse purse, which hopefully I can get really good at making these.
Bow for that purse.
So
no, it's the pink bow. Never mind.
Yeah. So that
bow out.
I can sell these on Etsy, maybe, or somewhere. I don't know. So that's what we're doing now. Carrie and her glasses.
It helps.
Yeah. Carrie's scaring cats. She scared White Paws, didn't you? Admit it.
I was trying to make sure he got his food.
I'm hot. Like my hair?
Looks like you didn't brush it.
I didn't brush it. But I just took it out of my little bun I had all day, yesterday and today.
Your head hurting from it being in a bun?
Actually, no. Only when I put it in a bun dry, then it starts to hurt. Anyway, I'm on my way to work.
I'm on my way to my job too.
I'm on my way to work, and then Carrie's going to her job, which is checking on cats.
That's the best job ever.
I know. Lucky you. And then I'll be home by 7:30 tonight.
Yay!
Because I gotta go to bed super early, because I gotta get up super early.
Oh, poor Sawa.
Drive good.
Huh? Get us a bike rack. We're gonna go hiking.
Popcorn. Huh. What are you making, Gary?
I'm trying to make fried chicken.
Ooh, fried chicken drumsticks.
It just says rinse the chicken and coat with the
Wait, what is that?
Kentucky kernel.
Turn it over. That's what Gary got. And she's dipping these in it over here.
Do you not have to put a coating of like egg white, Mama? What is that? It just said rinse and roll in that. Okay. It said rinse the chicken.
Why'd you put my fork in this bowl?
I didn't. It fell. I didn't take it out.
Gosh. Hey, Ben. You're such a good boy. Hey, Penny. Hey, Penny. Oh, they're so cute.
Don't even eat a piece of it.
Let's see how it works. Oh, you're not doing it yet.
Oh, really?
I missed her do the first one.
Well, it's not hot enough.
Oh, not doing the fried noise yet.
I didn't wait long enough.
And that's what she's doing. Wow. I gotta go take out the
Never fried
trash.
chicken before.
Well, now you have. I gotta take the trash out. What fun.
Okay,
Well-
here's another one.
Oh. It's starting to do the little sizzle. We'll see.
Probably can only do 4 at a time.
I'll have to look at the end result when you're done.
Okay.
Let's just want to turn it on when I'm not in the garbage. Now it's sizzling. Fried chicken. Finger licking good. Isn't that what he always says?
Yeah.
The Kentucky Fried Chicken
This
General.
is actually Kentucky Fried Chicken too.
Finger licking good. Oh, we gotta look at the finished product, whatever. Chicken, drumsticks, fried and something. Ooh, that looks good.
It was kind of weird because when I picked one up, this whole bunch of fiery hot oil
Ooh.
fell out of it. I was like,
It looks
I'm
good.
scared.
You
Here
gotta see your
goes.
first bite.
oh, hot. Mmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
All steamy hot.
Oh, I'm impressed with myself.
Getting good. It's nice to sitting in the office and relaxing. What, Squint? Squint. No, you were talking just a second ago. Belly rub. Oh, thanks. What, Squinky? Oh, okay. Look at that face. Look at that face. Hello. Kitty cats everywhere. Hi. I'm gonna go to bed, guys, because I gotta get up tomorrow early, so I'm going to bed early tonight. Well, okay, so it's like 12:30, which is earlier than last time, 2 o'clock, so. Anywho, just thought we'd say goodnight, so goodnight. Good what? Hey, Squeaky. Good night. Alright, everybody, well, with that said, good night, and don't forget the key.